In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook in Wix for free. So let's dive into the process and make sure you get your digital product up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to the home page of Wix. You'll need to start by logging into your account. If you haven't already created an account, take a few moments to sign up. Once you're on the home page, look for the Catalog section. This is where you'll manage your products, and it will be your starting point for adding your ebook. Next, click on the Catalog option. It should be clearly visible on your dashboard once you're logged in. Here you'll see options related to the items you sell. To add your ebook, you'll want to hit the New Product button. This will open a new window where you can specify the type of product you are looking to sell. For an ebook, click on the Digital File option. Wix provides different options for product types, but since we're focusing on selling a digital file, this is the best choice. After selecting Digital File, you'll be prompted to upload the file you wish to sell. Simply click on Upload File to proceed. Once you click on Upload File, a prompt will guide you to choose the file you want to upload. It's important to ensure your file is in the right format and is readily accessible on your device. After selecting it, you'll upload it directly into your Wix product catalog. Now, with your ebook uploaded, move on to filling in the basic information of your product. Provide a detailed and accurate title for your ebook. This will be the main selling point for customers searching for specific topics. Alongside the title, you'll need to type in a comprehensive description. Make sure your description is engaging and informative, offering potential customers insights into what they can expect from your ebook. After you've added the description, it's time to upload images and videos for your product. Visuals can greatly enhance the appeal of your ebook, so consider including a high-quality cover image along with a promotional video if possible. These visuals will help grab the attention of potential buyers and aid in conveying the essence of your ebook. The next step is setting up the pricing for your product. Be thoughtful about the price point, considering your target audience and the value your ebook offers. Remember, competitive pricing can help in attracting more customers. Finally, after ensuring all the details are in place and you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on the Save button. This will finalize your product listing and make it available for purchase on your Wix site. And that's it! You've just set up your ebook for sale on Wix, ready for the world to see. Make sure to share and promote it to maximize your reach and increase sales. Enjoy selling your ebook, and happy Wixing!